Are you a small YouTuber and you are struggling to get views on YouTube? Now, what if I told you in this video that there is a certain Google tool that helps you drive traffic to your YouTube videos so that you can get the views? Now, this tool is absolutely free and there is no cost, no ads when you are using it. So in this video, I'll share with you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use this tool to increase your YouTube views. Now stick around because this video could be your breakthrough if you are really struggling to get views on YouTube. So before I even proceed, if you are really struggling to gain views on YouTube, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, smash that subscribe button so that you can grow your YouTube channel so fast and the smartest way. So let me take you straight into it. Why does this tool even matter? You see, getting views on YouTube can be so hard sometimes. YouTube is so competitive and getting views in YouTube can be so hard sometimes. So Google gives you this tool and this tool is indexed by Google. And you know that Google owns YouTube. So which means that when you use this tool, you can get free traffic that sends you views on your YouTube videos. And it's absolutely free of charge. And when you get more views, it means that you also get more watch time and possibly more subscribers. So I'll take you to a step-by-step demonstration of how you can use this tool to increase your YouTube views. So what we are going to do here basically is to use our Google search or just Chrome browser. So let me go to my Google search there, then search for sites.google.com. Now it has taken us to the interface of the tool that I'm talking about, and it's called Google Sites. So this is the tool that we are going to use to send traffic to our YouTube videos. So what we are going to do from here is to tap on this plus sign here, blank space, blank site. Tap on it. Then we are going to write our page title here. Just pay attention. We are going to write our page title here. So I'm going to write how to grow on YouTube, my guide. Then from there, you see below insert and text box, there is embed. So tap on embed there. Then from there, you see embed from the web. So we are going to enter our URL here, the URL of the video that we want to send traffic to. So it's already copied in my clipboard. So let me just paste it there. Then from there, you say insert. You see, this is our video that we want to send traffic to. So it's already inserted there. So what you are going to do next is to tap on publish there. Then from there, you see publish to the web. So what you are going to do here is to get your domain. So you can either use a domain given by the Google sites, or you can as well buy your custom domain. So what we are going to do here, we are just going to use a domain from this site. So let's say our domain name will be, let's say, more views first, more views first, then publish. So our video is already published on Google sites. You see, you can publish it there. So our video is already published. So whenever people search for this title here, our video will appear in the Google search. So whenever people search for this title here with the keywords, there's a possibility of our video getting ranked in the Google search. So we can drive traffic from the search to our YouTube videos automatically and for free. So that's how this tool is simple to use. So try to use it today so that you can get more views on your videos so easily. So after publishing your video, you can share the link with other people. You can pin your link on your first comments, on your video descriptions, and other sites where your viewers usually visit. So this is how you can get the link of your video. Just beside publish there, you see that drop down, tap on it, then view published site, tap on it. So this is our URL. You can just copy it there and share it with other people. Let's see it. You see, this is it. That's now our URL to be shared. So whenever they click this URL, they'll come straight to your Google sites without necessarily going to your YouTube channel to watch your videos. So it's just that simple. Now you know how to use Google Sites to get more views on your YouTube videos. So try this tool and you will see how you can grow your channel so fast. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with other creators. And if you want more smart tools like this one, subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out on any update. See you in my coming video.